For the past 5 days, our elementary STEM teachers, which is a new position in the district, have been planning and preparing to start working with our students in their new elementary STEM labs. Each elementary school site is going to have one elementary STEM teacher per site, and our students, TK through 6, are going to rotate through their STEM lab and have a 50-minute hands-on experience each day of the week.
STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and math. It's everything we do. So if students aren't prepared to problem solve, then they're not as prepared for life as they could be. So our goal in early childhood all the way up to high school is to prepare students to design, think, and try to solve challenges that they'll experience every single day.
Because we want to give our kiddos the best education that they can get, and engineering is elementary, is the program that our district has approved to teach students and expose them to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in our classroom during our STEM time. It's a hands-on curriculum that will give students opportunities to learn through project-based learning.
We're so excited to be in Madera Unified School District supporting educators as we begin the STEM initiatives. This is going to be an ongoing partnership, so this is one of many opportunities that we'll get to connect with the educators here.